subscribe to our channel and also press that bell icon to get latest notification for every tricky and latest video. So hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is your host Aryan, and from today I decided to make videos in English. So yep, from now onwards I'll make videos in English. So in this video basically I'm gonna show you all of you that how can you get popular or trending tags, popular or trending topics, titles for your YouTube videos, and you can even rank higher on searches, and there are chances that you can get your video on trending. So in this video basically our main highlight will be on how to get tags and topic for your videos on Android. So hey guys, Aryan here, let's start. So first of all guys, go to Google Play Store and search for Tag You. So it's an application with red logo and you can download it really easily. It's free. So I have already downloaded it. You can see there are over 100,000 downloads and ratings are also good, that are 4.3, means 2,109 people voted. So yep, it will be nice, and I'll also show you the main use of this application. You can even use reviews or you can rate it as yourself, that how you like this application. So reviews are also good, great app for YouTuber creator, and other comments you can read it later if you want to. But yep, now let's main content. So here, after closing that Play Store, let's move on to our application. So after opening that Tag You application with that red logo and hash dash you written on the logo, you will get options like keyword idea, get tags from URL, suggest keywords, YT backlinks, top tags of the day, and more apps from that developer. So we don't want more apps. So after that, first of all I'll show you the keyword idea. So just think that you have to make video on how to hack Wi-Fi. So let me just type how to hack Wi-Fi and just click on check. Now if I want to check, so first of all you have to just enter whatever the title you want to, and after that click on check button. So it will show desired results and topics, titles and trending topics and tags related to that particular keyword that you just entered. So here are the represented or the shown results. You can even swipe left or right to change the videos depending on popular videos and their tags, and you can click on one tag or one by one on every tag to add it to queue which you want from different video at once, or you can just select all the tags at once, and when you have copied every tag from every different video, you can click that first button, and if you want to copy all the tags of a particular video, use second button. So there you will get the option like you have copied all of the tags. Now let me go to home and show you that get tags from URL option. So here I have just opened YouTube, and like for example I have to get popular topic that is currently Geo Prime membership. So I'll find a video that is popular. So here you can get the set talks video that is on trending page, so really nice. Now let me copy the link of that video and paste it here. So you can get tag of any video by just pasting its link, and copy all the tags and paste it. So let me just copy, and you can see that I'm just clicking on every tag single time or differently separately. So there I have clicked on copy all the tags at once. If you haven't seen, then again the second button is used to copy all the tags at once, and you can even use and paste those tags in your video. So your video will also rank higher, and your video will also get on trending pages. Might get on trending pages, but it will surely rank higher. So there you have to just paste on your YouTube studio directly, or you can just edit according to you after pasting notes app in your phone. When everything's done, now let me just go to YouTube and search for the same topic which I want to make the video, and search for tags of another video, not the same video, so that it would get combined and our video will have more chances or will get more chances to come on search pages or rank higher. So there I have to open a particular video, or just you don't have to open a video, you have to just get the link of that video. So I'll just click on the menu option beside the particular video and then click on copy URL. Now there you will see a toast notification like copied. Now come to get tags from URL on tag you, paste the URL, click on check button, and there copy all the tags. Now go to your note application or directly to YouTube Studio and paste those tags. Now I know that the limit of tags of YouTube video is 500 keywords, so you can even just delete the keywords that you think would not rank higher, would not help you to rank higher, or that are just useless. So you can just remove those keywords. No need to use those keywords. Use keywords or tags as much less as you can. And in some cases, if you think that you need more tags, so you can come to this application and just copy those tags. Now the third thing is suggest keywords. Like the first one, keyword planner, you can plan topic of your video, and after coming to suggest keywords, you will get the perfect title for your video. Now if you don't want to copy any others tag, you want to make your own tag, so you can also come to suggest keyword. It will also help you to select the title of that video and even the tag for that video. So it has multi-purpose work, and work it can do really well. Now the fourth thing is build YT links. So I even don't know that what is YT backlinks, so there's no need for this, but you can just Google it and use it if you want to. Now the last thing is top tags of the day. So it is the paid feature of this application that you have to pay 60 Indian rupees or $1 in international currency. So you will just get the access to that premium feature and get the top trending tags and titles for the day. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Till next video, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Bye.